Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to adjust the front door. Start by closing the door slowly and watching where it rubs or gaps appear, then mark the trouble spots with a pencil. Tighten loose hinge screws with a screwdriver before making adjustments and spot any warped wood or swollen panels. This quick assessment helps you decide whether to adjust hinges, plane the edge, or change the strike plate for better fit and smooth operation. Begin by removing a hinge screw at the jamb side if needed and place a thin shim between hinge and jamb, then reinsert the screw to shift the door toward the jamb. For sagging doors, replacing short screws with one 3-inch screw into the frame can lift and realign the door effectively. Test the door after each small change, making minimal adjustments until the gap is even and the latch engages smoothly without forcing. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing useful home fixes. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes keeping entryways and thresholds tidy a breeze with voice control and smart mapping that saves time when you're working on projects. It's a small convenience that helps prevent dirt buildup that can affect door fit. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. If hinge tweaks don't fix rubbing, remove the door and use a plane to shave thin layers from the problem edge, keeping the plane angled to maintain profile and checking fit often. For latch issues, mark where the latch contacts the frame, chisel a shallow mortise for the strike plate, and screw it back so the bolt slides freely. Finish by sanding and sealing cut areas to protect against swelling and moisture damage for lasting alignment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.